Hello, welcome to Tyson Cut and Sew Knitwear Factory in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. And now, please give us a chance to introduce our production for bamboo viscose organic cotton spandex fabric. This is the ecologically responsible fabrics, or we can call it eco fabric. The fabric is from bamboo viscose blended with organic cotton and spandex. The fabric is super nice, smooth, with everyday pieces that bring you from day to night, like wear to work and out for the evening with these easy to wear and comfortable looks. Fabric can be used for making active wear and athleisure, like yoga pants, capris, shorts, tops, t-shirts. Ready to wear like tees, tank tops, trousers, and skirts. It can be used for making sleep and loungewear, pajamas and bottoms, nightgowns, night shirts. We can make Ocotex certificate for this fabric as well. Thank you for your listening. If you are interested in our capsule, please feel free to contact us by email kiki@lxc.vn as below screen. Thank you.